Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can crop, resize, and adjust photos in PicsArt. So through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can edit your photos in PicsArt. First, for cropping photos, you can just open the PicsArt and then tap on the plus icon at the bottom and choose the photo that you want to edit. Okay, let's say I want to edit this photos right here. You can just click on a photo, and once the photo is open, you can just tap on the crop tool. Under the tools in here, find crop, and then you'll see a preset aspect ratios. You can just choose one or simply drag the corner to adjust the crop manually like this. For example, I'm going to just go with 16:9, adjust the position, and you can just tap on a check icon and the crop will be applied. Second one, if you want to resize your photos, you can just tap on tools again and find the resize option. This one's right here. Here you can set the size, you can change the width and height either by entering the values or adjust. You can just tap on resize. After that, you need to make sure that the size is right. After that, you can just tap on resize and that's it. And lastly, if you want to adjust the photos, you can tap on tools and click on adjust. And in here you can see there are lots of tools on the adjustment. If you want to adjust the brightness, you can just drag it to the left or right. It will adjust the lightness or darkness of the photo. For contrast, it will increase or decrease the difference between light and dark areas. And for saturations, in clarity is the, of course, the clarity of the photo, and saturation is the intensity of the color. If you want the color pop up, you can just increase it just like this. If you want to if you don't want to, you can just decrease it like this. And in here there is this hue and shadow, highlight, and also the temperature, where you can alter the warmth of colors of the coolness or the coolness. You can adjust it to how you like it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.